Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be learning about the multi-line strings. So Python strings are very flexible, but if we try to create a string that occupies multiple lines, we find ourselves face to face with a syntax error. So Python offers a solution. We can do multi-line strings by using 3 quotation marks. So you can either use the double quotations or the single instead of one. We tell the program that the string doesn't end until the next triple quote. This method is useful if the string is being defined contains a lot of quotation marks and we want to be sure we don't close it prematurely. So, for example, we have this one right here, leaves of the grass. We put 3 quotation marks, and then we write all of our multi-lines right here and put a 3 quotation mark to end it. So we assign a famous poet's words to a variable. I'm not sure who the poet is. I'm not really a big poem guy, but even though the quote contains multiple line breaks, the code works. If a multi-line string isn't assigned a variable or used in an expression, it is treated as a comment. So let's read this again. It says if a multi-line string isn't assigned a variable or used in an expression, it is treated as a comment. Okay, so if this was not here, all of this would be treated as a comment. That makes sense. Okay, and then let's assign the following string to the variable to you. Alright, so we'll do to you. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna use the double or the triple quotes. Triple double quotes, right? And they should print out that, right? Pretty straightforward. So to use like a multi-line, you just simply run it with the triple quotes. Now, if we got rid of this part and just ran it, it wouldn't print out anything because this is seen as a comment. So I'll do 2 u equals 1. How about that? It's just gonna print out 1 because this is seen as a comment. But again, if we put it back like how it was, it's gonna print out the whole poem like so. So that is very interesting to me that that's how that works. But yeah, that's gonna end it right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.